And it's also You the Assassin. Today, I'd like to talk about one of our customers who has a really amazing product/service. Now, the original business has been running for over 30 years. And Peter Zaros is one of the eminent organizational psychologists in Australia. And he's spent his life understanding what it takes to recruit and assemble the best people for organizations, and also what it takes to transform people within those organizations to improve their performance and to ultimately become good leaders, and then to create a high performance organization. Now, part of that process has been psychological testing. So there's a number of tools that you can use for psych testing, and the majority of them are quite old, like 40 to 50 years old, and some even older, and quite antiquated and, to be honest, to be out of date. And these tools give you a bit of an insight into the person you're about to hire, or to decide which one to hire. But they're normally only done, and the high-end tools, which are quite good, are quite expensive, $1,500, $2,500 each, are only used for 7% of roles, the C-suite generally, because they're the more expensive people. So you want to make sure you get them right. And the companies that do this are large organizations who can afford it. And the industry all around the recruitment people and the HR people, and they've got these tools and they're used to using them. So they're sort of stuck in that mindset. Peter, over the journey, developed his own tool, which is sort of made for the 2000s, whereas none of the other tools are. And it includes technology and a few other bits and pieces. So put together this tool called Progress, but he also bundled a whole range of other things. So it's really not just the Progress tool, it's a capability platform. So it assesses the capability of a person as if they fit, whether they fit the role or not. And he's been able to take it down, right down to every role within a business. For example, at Linfox, they test all the truck drivers. So not everyone's suited to be a truck driver, so they won't employ anyone unless they do the test and it matches the profile of their best truck drivers. So that's the sort of thing it can do, but also by bringing the price, or having the price at a reasonable level and allowing organizations to test everyone, you can work out who needs what sort of training. And he's got all these toolkits which allow the managers to do the training to improve performance and the satisfaction of the employees. But the other thing is, a lot of companies will send, the HR team will send like that girl off to do external training, which isn't really been approved by their manager. And they come back with all these ideas that they want to implement, and their manager goes, where's all this coming from? Whereas with the Progress capability platform, the manager becomes the trainer. They get armed with the tools to help train the staff and the things that they know, because the report has told them what they need to, where the gaps are, and then it lifts performance and the manager can be involved. And it's a much, much better model. So if you feel that your organization's a bit stuck and you'd like to take it to the next level, reach out to me and I'll put you in touch with the Progress people, because it really is a new paradigm, I believe, in how to get to be a high performance organization. Thanks.